Are you planning your dream model railroad layout but don't know where to start? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are looking at XTrackCad, a completely free, open-source CAD program specifically designed for model railroaders. Whether you work in N, HO, O, or any other scale, XTrackCad lets you easily design your track layout, test it with simulated trains, and print out exact templates. It features a massive library of real-world track brands like Atlas, Kato, and Pecco. Best of all, it works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Let's get it installed. First, open your preferred web browser. Type XTrackCad into your search engine, or go directly to the official website at xtrcad.org. Once you are on the homepage, click on the Downloads tab in the top menu navigation bar. Here, you will see the latest stable release. Look for the version that matches your operating system. The download should start automatically and take just a few seconds. Click the downloaded file to automatically launch the installation process. Or locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click it to start the setup wizard. If a Windows security warning pops up, simply click Run Anyway. On the installer screen, click Next. Read and accept the license agreement, then choose your installation folder. I recommend leaving it at the default path. Click Next again, select Create a Desktop Shortcut for quick access, and then hit Install. The program installs incredibly fast because it is lightweight. Click Finish to launch XTrackCad. These are the features of XTrackCad. To set up your working parameters, click the Options tab and select Preferences. You can select your preferred unit of measurement, either English or metric, and also you can pick your preferred icon size, angles, and length format. You can pick your layout scale from the drop-down menu, such as HO or N scale. Click OK, and your blank canvas is ready to go. And that is it. You are officially ready to start engineering your layout. If this video helped you get started, please hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.